Okay, let's learn how to write a WordPress plugin. This seems complicated. I have no idea what I'm reading. Okay, so based on the tutorial, if I create a file here and name it like this and copy this and paste it into it and change this line. Oh wow, my first plugin is here. Wow, I'm good. Okay, now let's continue. This is the next step. Let's copy this also and paste it here in my plugin file. What just happened? Critical error. Let's Google this. My God. My God.
3 hours later.
Oh, I'm so close to giving up. No help here also. Let's check this page a bit more. What's this GPL? So it's free to edit, free to redistribute. No need to give credit to author. What? This is interesting. I have an idea. What if I would search here for a popular plugin? And this should do it. Okay, and let's put it here directly. All I need to do now is change its author and plugin name. Everything can go in rest. Okay, let's save it. Oh, I forgot to delete my old work. Now let's check it again. Here it is, my first WordPress plugin. Looks nice. Yeah, I'm a real WordPress developer now.
Oh, I flick that switch, kill the lights.